Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! Our easy yummy recipe for today is Empalate. If you love eating Biko and you don't like the long process of making it, please try this rice cake. All you need is to soak the rice, making a special mixtures, and let the oven do the cooking. If you don't have oven, you can cook this the traditional way. Let's start by washing the rice for several times until it becomes clear. Then soak it for 5 hours or better overnight. Heat the banana leaves to become pliable. Let's make pandan water. In a pot, pour the water, then the pandan leaves. Allow to boil, then set it aside to cool down. After soaking the glutinous rice, wash and drain well to remove any remaining water. Then arrange layers of aluminum foil and banana leaves, then put the soaked rice. I also cover aluminum foil with banana leaves to improvise lid. I mix coconut cream, salt, and white sugar in a container. Then cut into small pieces the native confectionery or panutsa. Here's the cut native confectionery or panutsa. Then mix well the coconut cream mixtures before mixing to the pandan water. Pour the pandan water in an heated pot followed by the coconut cream mixtures. Mix again before adding the native confectionery or panutsa. Then add the native confectionery or panutsa. Then bring to simmer. After adding the panutsa, please do not stir the mixtures because it will interfere on dissolving the sugar. Regularly check the mixtures if the panutsa or native confectionery is totally dissolved, but don't stir. Now the native confectionery or panutsa totally dissolved, then we can add to the prepared glutinous rice. Don't forget to stir the liquid mixture to the glutinous rice to evenly distribute the liquid to the pan. Cover the pan with the improvised lid and set the oven on 325 Fahrenheit for 1 hour or 160 Celsius, or in slow fire if you are cooking in a terracotta oven. Then set on 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius towards the end of the cooking to set the top of the empalate. Let the empalate cool down first for at least 15 to 30 minutes before tasting to prevent from burning. Here's the rice cake of Pozorrubio Pangasinan, empalate. Yummy! Let me taste! It's good! Try it! It's good! If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and subscribe! Thanks for watching, guys! This is yummy and really smells good rice cake. See you again next time. Bye!